From the top of the dress to the bottom is 25 inches. I'm going to be using 1, 2, and then a third layer. For the first layer, I did my bust divided by 4 plus 5, which is 14.5. And for the second one, I did my bust divided by 4 times 2, which gave me 20. And I marked it here. From that 20, I'm going to create my pocket. I'm going to place my tape up here, which is going to be 8. The ruffles will be starting from 8. That's 12.75. So I'll place it here at 12.25 and then find my 15.5. So this is where my pocket will start from, and then I will draw it. It's going to be 7 inches wide. You just draw it in whatever shape. Just have it in mind that it's supposed to be 7 inches wide. After that, I'm going to be cutting it out this way. The third layer is 6 inches wide and 31.5 inches long when folded into 4. Here is 20 inches long when folded into 4. Here is 14.5 inches long when folded into 4. 14.5 inches wide, 6 inches wide. The top is 5 inches wide. 5 inches wide, 14.5 inches wide, and then 6 inches. I've joined all 4 sides of this pink and weave the edges. I would spread this one open. I'm going to pin it round and stitch it down using 0.25 and weave it. Stitch both sides and then weave it. I have joined all the sides and weave them. So as this one, I'll be joining these two together. I'll find my needle on both sides and pin. Find the middle of this other side and also pin it. This is the middle. This is the middle of the two sides because I joined the fabric together. Middle meeting this other middle. That's front facing front. Now the sides will meet each other. The sides will meet each other. What I usually do is I'll try to pleat randomly till I can fold everything into this space because this is on an excess. I'll pleat. How I did this, I'll repeat it round and then stitch it down using 0.5, then weave it. So I have attached the orange parts to the purple. This is what it looks like. And then I weave the edge. I will repeat the same thing for the next layer. I'll find the middle and pin it. Middle for the two sides and pin it here and here. Spread it open so we can see the front side. Now for this one, we're going to find the middle. Just like we did for the orange. Find the middle here. The middle here. So this middle will meet this other middle. We pin it down. So that middle will meet this one. Now the next thing is to have the sides meet each other. After doing that, we start to pleat so that everything would enter this orange because the pink is in excess. I don't have a particular way I pleat. I just I'll repeat the same thing for this other side and round. I'll go to my sewing machine and sew it down using 0.5 inches and then weave it. This is what it looks like, and I have sewn the inside and weaved it. I'll measure round this top part. I have 29 inches. I went ahead to cut out a strip that is 29 inches and 2.5 inches wide. So 29 inches long on fold and 2.5 inches wide. I'll be pinning it. Round. Once I'm done pinning it round, I'll use 0.25 to stitch it round. I have stitched it down and also top stitched it. The next thing I'll be doing is I will fold it in this way, then taking ½ inch. Fold it in, taking ½ inch. Fold it in, taking ½ inch. I will repeat this round and then stitch it down. I stitched it down and I left 0.5 inch space open where I'll pass my elastic through. The next thing I'll be doing is I'm going to come up by 0.5 and stitch another line round. Now I have done that. Remember, we left somewhere open so we can pass an elastic. So my elastic is 28 inches long. I simply did my bust 38 minus 10 and cut out the elastic. So this is how I'll be passing it through that hole. I'll take it this way and then pass it through. So when it comes out, you're going to join the two of them this way and stitch it down. After stitching it down, you readjust it and close up this space. So this is what it looks like after I've added my elastic. My ropes are 33 inches long, so I'll be attaching it now. I'll find the side, 4 inches from the side where the pocket is. You fold it in and place it and pin. Repeat the same thing for the back. Then I'll go stitch it down. Then your dress is ready.